Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x8007064a, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first two solutions would be to run the Windows Store apps and Windows Update troubleshooters respectively. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the settings window, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooters. Corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter, you can click on run. After this, click on run corresponding to the Windows Store apps troubleshooter. The next solution would be to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. If this helps, well and good. If not, then the last solution would be to start all services related to Windows updates. Go to solution 4 of this article and copy all of these 4 command lines. Then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste all of these commands and hit enter after each of these commands. This will surely resolve the problem in discussion. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.